Hello, IlluminXation parents and students and prospective students. Yes, blame me. I forgot to tell you that there are several steps to participating in our programs. I'm sorry that it may seem cumbersome, but it's really not. Step one is to reserve your spot, which you'll find in the link below. Step two is to complete the household income form, which is found on the registration page. Step 3 is to register your child in the program. How else are we going to spend time with them and teach them about Cancer Smancer and biology and visual and performing arts and farming? Step 4, you'll also find another button at the bottom of the page to register your child, just in case you missed it up top. And if for those who don't have children between the ages of 5 to 18 and you want to donate, you'll find a donate button or a sponsorship button if you want to sponsor a child. Okay? Thank you so much for listening. And now, we don't want any children left behind. So if you feel like you want to be a part of this program, go ahead, participate, and reach out to us if you have any issues. We are starting this Saturday, August 15th at 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And this runs for 12 weeks. And at the end of the 12 weeks, your children will express the understanding of what we taught them in visual and performing arts. And the top 3 students, 1 student from each age category, will accompany me when I go to receive my Outstanding Leadership in Education Award. And they will present their work. Isn't that awesome?